and you end up with this.
I just got to go and see if they can work.
Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. They work.
Hey, what?
I'll have to go hit the ATM and get cash only.
What is this?
What is this? Well,
What is this?
about probably close to 5 years ago, I decided to discontinue these. I had 13 models trying to keep up with them. All right, and that wasn't working well. So I picked 2 of them and I discontinued them. This was one that I call that the rectangle. I got so much flack and so many people saying, "Where's the rectangle?" So I decided about 2 months ago, and I was going to have a new mold made, have them made in a different place, different factory. Okay, and in about a month, roughly, the pieces are finished. They're working on the black connectors right now. So in about a month, but go to sharpensbest.com, put the in stock, when in stock, okay, and I don't run the website, so
Just click on it
yeah, click
and
on
submit
it.
your in-stock request. I cannot believe I haven't seen that thing for so long.
I know.
I'm getting excited right now.
Yeah, well, don't get so excited you piddle. So anyway, this is called the rectangle. Go to sharpensbest.com, click on the in stock, and that will tell Chance, and maybe I guess you pre-order, pre-buy. In about a month, we'll have those back on the website.
Use it real quick.
Use it real. Oh, it's never been used.
Oh, sorry. You don't have to.
all right,
You don't
now
have to.
we'll do
Okay,
it.
well, so it was first time for everything.
All right, so we just do this, that. I can run it through the V gentle like this, over here on the side. Don't push too hard. As if it's just a tune-up, you only have to use about a 1/2 ounce of pressure. Just like that. Now let's see how it works. Okay. Clear out. There.
Where can we get one?
Sharpensbest.com. Look at this. Brad Buckner, Sharpensbest.com. Talk to you later.